Understanding the function of folic acid in health. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, is a crucial nutrient that plays a significant role in numerous bodily functions. It is essential for DNA synthesis, repair, and methylation, making it vital for cell division and growth. The importance of folic acid spans across various stages of life, from fetal development to adulthood, impacting overall health and well-being. Folic acid in DNA synthesis and repair. One of the primary functions of folic acid is its involvement in the synthesis and repair of DNA. This process is fundamental for the proper functioning of cells and the maintenance of genetic stability. Folic acid helps in the formation of nucleotides, which are the building blocks of DNA. A deficiency in folic acid can lead to errors in DNA replication, potentially causing mutations and increasing the risk of various diseases, including cancer. Role in red blood cell formation. Folic acid is critical for the production and maturation of red blood cells. It works in conjunction with vitamin B12 to ensure that red blood cells are formed correctly and can function efficiently. Without adequate folic acid, the body may produce abnormally large and dysfunctional red blood cells, leading to a condition known as megaloblastic anemia. This condition can cause symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and pallor. Importance during pregnancy. During pregnancy, the demand for folic acid increases significantly. This vitamin is crucial for the proper development of the neural tube in the fetus, which later becomes the brain and spinal cord. Adequate folic acid intake before conception and during early pregnancy can prevent neural tube defects, such as spina bifida and anencephaly. Consequently, it is recommended that women of childbearing age consume at least 400 micrograms of folic acid daily to reduce the risk of these birth defects. Impact on mental health. Emerging research suggests that folic acid may play a role in mental health. It is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. Deficiencies in folic acid have been linked to depression and cognitive decline. Supplementation with folic acid, in conjunction with other treatments, has shown promise in improving symptoms of depression and supporting cognitive function in the elderly. Folic acid and cardiovascular health. Folic acid also contributes to cardiovascular health by helping to regulate homocysteine levels in the blood. Homocysteine is an amino acid that, at elevated levels, is associated with an increased risk of heart disease and stroke. Folic acid, along with vitamins B6 and B12, helps to convert homocysteine into methionine, thereby lowering its concentration in the bloodstream and potentially reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Dietary sources of folic acid. Folic acid can be obtained from a variety of dietary sources, both natural and fortified. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale, legumes, nuts, and seeds are rich in folate, the natural form of folic acid. Additionally, many countries fortify staple foods, such as bread and cereals, with folic acid to ensure adequate intake across the population. Conclusion. Folic acid is a vital nutrient with a wide range of functions in the human body, from DNA synthesis and red blood cell formation to supporting mental and cardiovascular health. Its importance is particularly highlighted during pregnancy, where it plays a crucial role in fetal development. Ensuring adequate intake of folic acid through diet or supplementation is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing various health conditions. To learn more about the significance of essential nutrients and their impact on health, we invite you to watch more videos like this in the associated playlist or the recommended video in the description of the video you just watched.